In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum dear educarians. I hope all of you are fine and must have safe at your home. Today we are going to start lesson number 1 of numeracy, and today our discussion topic is geometry. Material required for this lesson is lead pencil, eraser, sharpener, ruler, highlighter and resource pack. I hope you have prepared all these things and ready for lesson. Learning objectives of today's lesson are: after today's lesson, you will be able to define geometry, you will be able to define point, you will be able to define line. So let's start today's lesson, and today our discussion topic is Introduction to Geometry, page number 44. So let's get started. Now open page number 44, Introduction to Geometry. Write day, date and today's task. Geometry is a kind of mathematics that deals with shapes. Geometry explains how to build or draw shapes, measure them and compare them. What is a point? A point in geometry is a location. It has no size, no width, no length and no depth. Highlight these points. A point is shown by a dot. Highlight this point. Points are named by capital letters such as A, B or C. These letters are written near the dot. A point is shown by a dot. As you can see in this picture, the image shows a point P. Now understand point with an example. The three vertices of a triangle are marked with point A, point B, point C. The four vertices of the quadrilateral are marked with point A, point B, point C, point D. And the next is, what is a line? A line connects two points. Highlight this line. Look at the line given below, line AB. Two arrowheads of a line shows that a line can extend in both directions and has no defined endpoints. We can extend the line from point A and we can also extend the line from point B. Given below is how a line is denoted. The symbol above is read as line AB. I hope you must have understood today's lesson. So let's summarize today's lesson. In today's lesson, we have discussed about geometry and we have discussed about point and we have discussed about line. I hope you must have understood today's lesson. Next, move on task to do. Learn highlighted points from page number 44 and 45. I hope you must have understood today's lesson. I will see you in the next lesson. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.